ProfferHost Review 2025. Is it the best free web hosting solution? Looking for free web hosting in 2025? Most people get this wrong by assuming free means low quality. ProfferHost is a no-cost solution that actually offers decent features. Step 1. Sign up and choose your domain or subdomain. You won't believe what happens next. The platform provides unlimited disk space and bandwidth, rare for free hosting. Step 2. Use the built-in website builder or upload your own files. ProfferHost supports FTP, Miscal, and standard web technologies, making it surprisingly versatile. Step 3. Manage your site from the control panel. Free certificates and basic email hosting are included, which many other free hosts don't offer. The surprising truth is that uptime and support may not match premium hosts, but for personal projects, test sites, or small websites, ProfferHost is a viable option. So, is it the best free hosting solution? For a fully free platform with decent features, yes. For professional, high-traffic sites, you may eventually need to upgrade.